yeah. Siri, can you remind me that I have a doctor's appointment at 5, please?
No, me not gonna remind you for your appointment how you for remember. I know me sick, are you sick? But me for remind you. I know you make the appointment, are you for remember? Stop touch me! Me hear what you say. Sure, about remind you. What me need for remind you for no for your appointment? Sure, are you have germs, not me? What you look for me so? About what? What? About me say no touch me. No, listen, no touch me.
Siri, what reminders do I have today?
Little girl, why you not start bother me about what remind? Every minute me have to remind you.
Why does this keep happening?
Because you keep oppress me. That's why it happening. Oh yeah, dash me way.
Yeah, I'm really excited to go too, but I don't know what the weather's going to be like. You know, hopefully it's sunny. Right now it looks a bit gloomy. Actually, you know what? Let me ask Siri. Let me call you back. All right. Siri, what's the weather like today?
Poopa Jesus, help me no man. Little girl, how you have eye for? How you have window for? How you have Google for?
I need to report this to Apple.
Go report your mama to Apple and start bother me man, sure.